And I'm meteorologist Sam Coplin here with your latest Tuesday afternoon web weather forecast. Let's start with the wildfire smoke, which is still lingering, but way up in the atmosphere at very thin concentrations. And that will be the case over the next several days, so you may still notice that hazy tint. If anything, by Thursday, we might get a new fresh plume move overhead, but it still looks very thin. So at this point, no concerns about any air quality problems. We're also tracking some showers and storms. Right now, this is as of around 12:30. They're off towards our south and west, but with humidity so high locally, it's not going to take much for these storms to bubble up over the next few hours. Still does not look super widespread, at least today. Otherwise, dew points are sticky in the upper 60s to low 70s, so that is in that very humid to even oppressive category, and that's right where they're going to stay all day long. Clouds will likely win over today, but there'll be some peaks of sun. Of course, there'll be a few more clouds if a storm pops up near you, which is possible, especially after around 2, 3 o'clock. So here's the radar simulation right around 2, 3 o'clock. Notice a few isolated downpours are possible. Some rumbles of thunder can certainly be around the area, but the better threat would be off towards the north and west. I think that risk diminishes once the sun sets, but just temporarily, because by 3, 4 in the morning, we could see a resurgence of some of that moisture, and that will carry us into the morning, and especially tomorrow afternoon, where storms and showers are much more widespread. Notice during the day tomorrow, every one area can see that threat for some downpours, some thunderstorms, and even an isolated chance of some gusty winds. Temperatures held in check a little bit more because clouds will be a bit thicker. So it's 80 to 85 degrees tomorrow compared to today, closer to 90 degrees. Mostly cloudy tomorrow with widespread storms. Here is Thursday. Cold front does actually swing through the area, but I'm hard-pressed to actually call it a cold front because, if anything, our temperatures may be a degree or two warmer and the humidity still stays very high. All it does is give us a brief break from that shower threat. It looks very, very minimal on Thursday. And for that matter, on Friday, much of the same. Clouds second half of the day, late day storm, hot and humid, but early on in the day, we should be mostly dry, upper 80s to low 90s. So a lot of back and forth with the rain chances. Highest risk of the week looks to be Wednesday. That falls off on Thursday, a touch higher late day Friday, and then the next substantial risk looks to be on Saturday before that drops again on Sunday. So as of right now, Saturday looks like the wetter half of the weekend. Sunday a little bit drier, but that still is 4 or 5 days away, and that could certainly use some tweaking as we get closer. Otherwise, this afternoon, 85 to 90 degrees, scattered afternoon storms. It will be hot and humid and a little bit breezy with gusts up to 20 miles an hour. Tonight, we'll see lows fall back into the upper 60s to low 70s. A spotty storm, especially late, warm and muggy conditions overnight tonight. Tomorrow, 80 to 85, so a little bit cooler, but still very muggy. Showers and downpours are much more widespread during the day tomorrow. And tomorrow night, those should end early. Patchy fog can develop late. Upper 60s to low 70s. So that 7-day forecast is a bit unsettled, especially tomorrow and then again on Saturday. Sunday, the risk looks to drop off a little bit. And finally, I think early next week, we see a little bit more sustained relief from the humidity, with temperatures at night dropping into the mid-60s, and by day, it's mid-80s. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy the rest of your Tuesday.